Today, Sacramento police released video showing what led up to officers shooting a woman in Midtown Sacramento. The shooting happened here on May 20th near Q and 28th Streets. Before we show you the video, you should know it may not be appropriate for everyone to watch in your household.
Hey, get on the ground right now!
31, you got subject running southbound. Copy, running southbound, be first on.
So this all started with multiple reports of a woman pointing a gun at people. Police spotted the suspect. At one point, an officer drives through a city park. You just saw that. Parks. Despite repeated orders to stop and get on the ground, here she is. The woman turns towards officers. You're watching that right now. And then points her gun at them. That is when officers open fire.
Show me your hands! Hey! Hands! Come on! Go, go, go! Get on the ground! Hey, get on the Drop it now! Drop it! Get down. Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Okay, so we froze the video because we did not want to show you the woman actually getting shot. She survived that shooting and has been identified as 43-year-old Chio Saturn. The video also shows two people were sitting in a car right at the shooting scene. They thankfully were not hurt. The gun Saturn was carrying turned out to be a pellet gun, but it looks very real. She was booked into the Sacramento County Jail on robbery charges. The investigation into this shooting definitely continues.